Oregon stakeholders recently traveled to Portugal to look at what's happened since that country decriminalized drugs. Jillian Fortner reports the trip comes amidst efforts here to rework Oregon's Measure 110.
More than 20 years ago, Portugal became the first country in the world to decriminalize the consumption of all drugs. The move was a key influence for Oregon's Measure 110, which reduced penalties for most unlawful drug possession.
We are in our third year here in Oregon working towards a health approach to addiction and as opposed to criminal justice response, and really felt like it was important for us to see a system that's been doing that for over 20 years.
More than 24 Oregon stakeholders who support those dealing with drug addiction visited Portugal to learn from the country's decades-long effort to address drug issues. The group met with members of the Portuguese parliament, law enforcement, providers, and drug users. One takeaway, the importance of a patient-first approach.
Predominantly, it was about we need to shift our focus of people who use and are having substance use issues as criminals and really center them as patients. And I found that really striking.
Addiction is a treatable healthcare condition, and that maybe some of the intersecting challenges that go along with addiction, maybe poverty and other things such as houselessness or unemployment, that those things also matter to someone and help them work towards wellness.
3 years into Measure 110 in Oregon, some state leaders are pushing back, including District Attorney Steve Gunnels.
Decriminalizing the possession of hard drugs takes away a big part of the incentive for people to go into treatment.
In Portugal, leaders point out it took significant time before change was noticeable.
It was 8 years before they saw the impact that they were hoping to see. It takes time. And that's what I'm hoping we can have people understand, that it's going to take time.
Stakeholders also addressed concerns that decriminalization can lead to an increase in drug issues.
It doesn't mean that they're enabling. It just means that everybody kind of knows that they're there to help. So law enforcement is able to be in a less contentious role with folks on the street. And I think that everybody would like that.
Two efforts led by business and political leaders are now underway to fix Measure 110. And although their goal isn't to repeal the measure, they're hoping to restrict drug usage in some areas and make some certain drugs illegal again. They hope lawmakers will address these issues in their next session in February. Jillian Fortner, News Channel 21.
Tonight we're asking, do you support changes to Oregon's Measure 110? To weigh in, head over to our web poll on the KTVZ.com homepage.